He was a technology executive and was also a genius, having designed and patented a key component in Wi-Fi router. In his 20s, he had started and sold it to several companies. He was widely successful. He also had a relationship with money I would describe as a mix of insecurity and childish stupidity. He carried a stack of $100 bills several inches thick. He showed it to everyone who wanted to see it and many who didn't. He bragged openly and loudly about his wealth, often while drunk. One day, he handed one of my colleagues several $1,000s of cash and said, "Go to jewelry store down the street and get me a few thousand gold coins." An hour later, gold coins in hand, tech executive and his buddies gathered around by a dock overlooking the Pacific Ocean. They then proceeded to throw the coins in the sea, skipping them like rocks as they argued whose went furthest, just for fun. Days later, he shattered a lamp in the hotel's restaurant. A manager told him it was a $500 lamp and he had to replace it. "You want $500?" the executive asked, while pulling a brick of cash from his pocket and handing it to the manager. "Her $5,000. Now get out of my face. And don't ever insult me like that again." You may wonder how long this behavior could last long. And the answer was not long. I learned years later that he went broke. Ronald James Reed was an American philanthropist, investor, janitor, and gas station attendant. Ronald Reed was born in rural Vermont. He was the first person in his family to graduate high school. For those who knew Ronald Reed, there was not much else worth mentioning. Reed fixed cars at gas stations for 25 years and swept floors at JCPenney for 17 years. He bought a 2-bedroom house for $12,000 at age 38 and lived there for the rest of his life. He was widowed at age 50 and never remarried. A friend recalled that his main hobby was chopping firewood. He died in 2014 at age 92, which is when humble rural janitor made international headlines. 2 crore 81 lakh Americans died in 2014. Fewer than 4,000 of them had a net worth of over $8 million when they passed away. Reed was one of them. In his will, the former janitor left $2 million to his stepkids and more than $6 million to his local hospital and library. Those who knew Reed were baffled. Where did he get all that money? It turned out there was no secret. There was no lottery win and no inheritance. Reed saved what little he could and invested it in blue chip stocks. Then he waited for decades on end as tiny saving compound into more than $8 million.